Craftsman 22-inch star bit lawnmower blade. Is already pre-sharpened. What you're gonna need is you just socket, put an extension on just for a little breaker, and then a 14mm socket itself. So that don't have about a year or so. There you have it. This thing's been on for about a year. See the difference? This thing is still cutting. Taking that box cutter, scratch it over here. Save everything when you take this blade off. Take that old blade off, save all of your components, nut, washer, everything. They do not give you anything with this new kit. No, they don't give you anything with this new blade. So again, that's how to change a lawnmower blade on a Craftsman 7.25 22-inch star blade. So if you have that, it's a quick detailed video on how to swap that out.